In this video, I'll explain how to convert point-slope form to slope-intercept form. So if you have a line in point-slope form, it's in this format. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1 comma y1 is a point on the line. But slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b, where m is also the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's take a look at a couple examples. So this first example says, convert the following equation to slope-intercept form. Y minus 6 is equal to 2 times x plus 5. So right now it's in point-slope form. To convert it to slope-intercept form, here's what we can do. Let's first rewrite the equation. The first step to get it in slope-intercept form is just to distribute this 2 into the parentheses right here. So if we do that, we get y minus 6 is equal to 2 times x, that's just 2x. And then we have 2 times 5, that's 10. So we have plus 10. Now, notice in slope-intercept form, we want the y to be all by itself on the left-hand side of the equation. So to do that here, we just need to add a 6 to both sides. Because when we do that, these 6's cancel out, and we're left with y is equal to, we have 2x plus 10 plus 6, that's 16, so plus 16. And now we can see that this equation is in slope-intercept form, where we have y equals mx plus b, where m is 2, that's the slope, and b is 16, that's the y-intercept. Alright, let's try one more example. This one says, convert the following equation to slope-intercept form. Y plus 3 is equal to 1/3 times x plus 12. So once again, let's rewrite the equation. And we can start by distributing this 1/3 into these parentheses right here. So we'll get y plus 3 is equal to 1/3 times x, that's just 1/3 x. And then we have 1/3 times 12. So another way of thinking about that is 1/3 times 12 over 1. So if we just multiply the values in the numerator straight across, 1 times 12 is 12. And then if we multiply the values in the denominator, 3 times 1 is 3. So we get 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. So when we do 1/3 times 12, that's 4, plus 4. So once again, in slope-intercept form, we want the y to be all by itself on this left-hand side. So we can subtract this 3 from both sides. These 3's will cancel out and we'll be left with y is equal to 1/3 x. And then we have 4 minus 3, which is just 1, so plus 1. And this will be our final answer on this one. So this is how we can write the equation in slope-intercept form, where we can see that the slope is 1/3 and the y-intercept is 1.